Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. One medical expert has made a radical call for all competitive sport to return on the island amidst the ongoing community spread of COVID-19. Jordan Fort tells us more.
Consultant neurosurgeon Dr. Roger Hunter speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Monday. Dr. Hunter is singing a different tune from a number of his colleagues, saying the Jamaican government has missed a trick in not having competitive sport being played on the island. He says the sports industry has suffered unfairly throughout the pandemic.
The Ministry of Health with the figures can tell Jamaica why is it that the sporting fraternity has had virtually no deaths from coronavirus, and yet they have been asked to pay an unfair price.
The spinal surgeon, who has lectured and taught at the University of the West Indies, Leeds University and the University of Liverpool, says it is counterproductive on the part of the government to stop competitive sport.
Sports people are the fittest you can find. They are thin and sinewy. They don't have any fat. Yes, some of them may have asthma, hole in the heart. Some of them may have eczema. Some of them may have migraine. But the records and the evidence show that there have been virtually no Jamaican children killed from coronavirus.
As for the fear of young sportsmen and women contracting the virus and taking it home and infecting their parents or grandparents,
this was studied in the United States. They showed that the kids, when they reopened their school, while Jamaica locked, they reopened their school in August. And the studies show that they were not super spreaders. The youngsters can sanitize, gargle, mouthwash. Mouthwash is very important. If they mouthwash and brush their teeth at least 3 times a day, then they're going to reduce the coronavirus load in their body. Having hot baths and steam baths, that's going to reduce the coronavirus. Taking vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E.
The internationally accomplished neurologist insists that the country could have benefited financially from welcoming sportspersons from cold countries to train and compete in Jamaica since the outbreak of the virus. There's been limited competitive sporting events staged in Jamaica since the first case of COVID-19 was confirmed on the island in March. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.